Hello and welcome to our item. This is our item when we started very late last night, so it might be a bit weird. But please enjoy. It's got mixed medium singing, dancing, beatboxing. Alright. It's called Narara Valley. You'll never guess what's happening this weekend.
Oh really? What? What is it?
The grand auntie is hosting her birthday party at my house.
No way!
Yes, the grand auntie. The grand auntie. Did you hear about her last party?
It went off, didn't it?
It went off.
Yeah.
It was on third page of the newspaper.
Oh,
Big spread. So if I get it here, well, let's just say we might not be able to be friends anymore.
Yeah, oh, I understand.
But what about the
Indeed.
gypsies?
No, what? What?
The what?
The gypsies.
Gypsies?
No.
Yeah? In
Yeah.
Narara
Are
Valley?
you sure?
Yes. They live just down the road.
They're vile creatures.
Not the gypsies.
Are you sure the gypsies live here?
Yes.
Whereabouts?
Just down the road.
In Narara Valley?
Yes.
Yay, the gypsies!
I don't believe it. We must do something.
Yes, we must. We must go see them.
What can we do?
We'll spy on them.
We'll spy on them.
We'll
See
spy
what
on them.
they're about.
They're superstitious people.
Yeah.
Right. Well, you run along ahead.
Okay.
I just want to get the coffee first. Come on, Tiffany.
Okay.
Okay.
Tiffany.
I hope it's not that same cafe girl.
Oh, God.
She's always rhyming everything I say. It's just so irritating. Oh, it is her. All right. Evening. So, I just want a...
Yo, can I get a grande double shot espresso latte with a shot of vanilla? I need a caramel frappuccino extra thick with chocolate sprinkles. No, scratch that. Make it an extra bucket wrap. With a caramel cap. Can I get a grande soy chai latte, extra hot no lime, and a veggie vanilla hazelnut roast with a shot of cinnamon, bro. I want a green tea with lots of green leaves. I need some black with the coffee beans and like a sandful, please. I want to feel that caffeine like a bang. Make it creepy like Wu-Tang.
Hey!
Is that all you want? Yeah, thank you.
Oh, Mr. Jenkins, Margaret.
Yes.
Hello.
The gypsies are just this way. But have a look at this brown thing first.
Oh no, what is that brown thing?
Nothing happening behind it. It's just
Oh,
an ordinary
no
brown
people
thing.
behind here. That's for sure.
Auntie Rose? Auntie
Yes.
Claire?
Lovely, isn't it? Look at it. Oh, look, it's the gypsies.
There's the gypsies. We're the gypsies. We got gypsies. We got smelly underwear. Yeah, we went there.
Did you really just go there? I mean, smelly poo is one thing, but smelly underwear?
Well, smelly poo and smelly underwear are essentially the same thing.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
People say we smell because we probably do. A little bit like particle poo.
Oh, yeah.
We drink off milk out of the shoe.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time to eat some rat stew.
Yeah. You weirdo.
What have we told you? Only one bite. And then you stop.
I was going to show off. What is that?
Shut up! Trying to sleep. It's alright, we just keep it down, alright?
I'm sorry.
Beautiful wife.
Alright. You got a nice wife.
Yeah.
Sorry.
they learned to live happily together in Narara Valley.
Whoa. Woo! Good show! Take a bow! Encore! Bow! Yay! And another bow! Yay! What a good show!
Thank you.
I'm tempted to give my birthday money.
Gypsy.
Yay!